Hello, enthusiast. Hope your day was well and hectic too. So, just before starting the event, I would like you all to answer a question. Who all present here do invest in crypto already? Please do type in the live chat box. Oh, that's good. Nice. Good to know many are already aware of their finances. If you want to become rich, then don't work for money. Let money work for you. Hello there. I am Nandini Gore, your host for the evening. A hearty welcome to all enthusiasts. Today, we are on a fifth event, crossing over to the Cryptoverse. In this, we will mainly focus on how blockchain is used in cryptocurrencies and even learning how to make your own crypto. Oh, isn't that exciting? I hope many here would be investing in cryptocurrencies already. And many are hunting to learn about crypto and want to start investing ASAP. So, before this, we must know what we are going to do in the future, how that thing works, and how it may benefit us, right? Today, all this topic will be covered by a YouTuber with 19.7K subscribers, completed BTech in computer science from KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai, a freelancer as content creator in CoinDCX, Ali Solanki. Hello, sir. Great having you with us today.
Thank you so much for the pleasant introduction. And yeah, let's start with the video then.
Yeah, sure. Sir, the floor is all yours.
All right. So I was thinking of what we would be doing in this particular session. I came up with a couple of things. So one of the things that I'll be talking over here is the MetaMask wallet. So I saw a lot of people already know about how to invest in cryptocurrencies. Usually they make an account on WazirX, CoinDCX, or any of the exchanges and buy cryptos from there, but you would notice that there are just limited number of cryptocurrencies over there because that is a centralized exchange, that is not a decentralized one. So in order to invest in decentralized exchanges, and I will be talking about them in detail afterwards as well, you need to have a particular wallet. So that wallet will be yours only, so it won't be under some company like WazirX or CoinDCX. When you create your account, they essentially give you all their wallets, and the wallets are under their control. You don't have the control for that. But during this session, I'll be teaching you how to create your own wallet, and that will be basically through the MetaMask wallet. And we will also be buying cryptocurrencies, selling cryptocurrencies, learning about how to do that, and doing that with specifically smaller cryptocurrencies which have not hit the market yet. So yeah, let's start with the video. And by the way, at the end of this video, we will also be having a Q&A session, and if time persists, I will also teach you about how to create a cryptocurrency. So let's start with the video. By the way, I have created one on my YouTube channel, so do check it out. So let me just share my screen and start with the session. I hope you guys can see the screen. All right. So this is Remix IDE. We'll be going over there later. But what I essentially want to talk about over here is this Metamask wallet. Now, when you download the Metamask wallet, it won't look like this, and we'll be learning how to set it all up, how to add Binance network, Polygon network. All of these are different blockchains. If you might have heard about these cryptocurrencies, these are different blockchains. So Ethereum network, Polygon, Binance, and these are some test networks. So you can even hide these test networks over here. So let's start with the video. So the first thing that I want to talk about is how to download Metamask, right? So just search up Metamask download, and the first link will directly take you over to there. So this is the place from where you can download the Metamask wallet. You might have Chrome, iOS, Android, whatever you have. Even it works on mobile phone. So even if you don't have a laptop right now with you, you can follow along with an Android or an iOS phone as well. So let's start with downloading. I've already downloaded it, so it would already be over here. So once you download it, it would come up in the extensions tab. So where can you find the extension tab? It is over here. So this is the extensions tab, and you can just pin your extension, the MetaMask extension, and there you will have your particular wallet. Now this wallet will only have one account. I currently have multiple accounts, but you can create any number of accounts with just one click. Now if I wanted to create another account, I can just click over create account, and another account would be created. So let me just name it as account 5. All right. So we will have another account with us. So all of these accounts, let me just explain to you what these accounts are. So all of these accounts are basically your wallet addresses. Just like you have your traditional wallets, say for example, you're using your traditional wallet to store cash. Just like that, these are different wallets where you'll be storing cryptocurrencies instead. So and even in the wallets, you will have different networks. So say for example, you have Ethereum with you. You've bought Ethereum on WazirX or CoinDCX or any of the exchanges, and you want to store it with yourself. You don't want some centralized exchange to monitor over it. So you can basically transfer all of those cryptocurrencies towards this MetaMask wallet. Now, I will be talking about how to buy smaller cryptocurrencies as well. Like, say, for example, if you just go over to PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is basically a decentralized exchange, just like you have WazirX or CoinDCX. This one is decentralized. So just go over to exchange, and here you can basically buy all the cryptocurrencies that are available on Binance network. So this just does not include the limited number of cryptocurrencies available on CoinDCX or something, but rather this includes all of them. Yes, someone just commented that Trust Wallet is also there. So yes, you can basically do all of these things that I'm talking about here with Trust Wallet as well. So I'll just show you what Trust Wallet is. So Trust Wallet is also similar to MetaMask, and you can basically add in your cryptocurrencies over here as well. But for this particular video, we'll be talking about MetaMask only. All right, so let's start with how to transfer cryptocurrencies from WazirX or CoinDCX or any of these exchanges towards your MetaMask account, because I think most of you guys might be familiar with opening your account with these exchanges, because it's a straightforward process. If you have been investing in, say, stock market or anywhere else, it's quite similar to that. You have to link your PAN card, you have to link your Aadhaar card number, and you would basically have your own exchange account. So now let's see how to transfer cryptocurrencies from those exchanges to this MetaMask wallet, because now we've learned how to create this wallet, but we also want to learn how to use it. So say for example, I am going on WazirX. I might have to log in. I've not logged in over here. So let me just see. And okay, so let me just log in, and I'll just okay. So no one knows my password, don't worry. So yeah, So this is the exchange. All right, so we have all the different types of cryptocurrencies. We have USDT is a stable coin. It mimics the US dollar, so its prices don't change. You have Shiba Inu, which is quite popular. BTC, which is the original cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin. Then we have other cryptocurrencies as well. We have Ethereum, Matic, and so on. So what we want to do is we want to search for Matic, and we want to buy this. Say for example, I've bought some Matic over here, and I want to transfer Matic to this account. This is my Metamask account, right? So we need to do three things over here. First is we want to buy this Matic. So here you'd have to first deposit your INR. Then you'd have to buy Matic. So say for example, I want to buy 10 Matic. I would have to pay 1,400 rupees for that, and basically just send that account over here. Now, once I send that order, and once I get Matic in my wallet, you can then go over to your profile and basically just transfer Matic from here. So search for Matic, and as I said, these centralized exchanges create wallets for you, and they are controlling those wallets. So this deposit and withdraw functions that you see over here is for the wallets that they control. So let me just go over here and press on withdraw. So if you press on withdraw, you will see a destination address. So what is this destination address, and what should be paste over here? So this address is the address of your wallet created on Metamask. Now the this is what we had created, and we had created another account. So this was account 5, and we can just copy this particular address. So just copy it and paste it over here, and then we have to select the network. Now the network will be selected by default for most of the cryptocurrencies. Matic works on Ethereum network, so that's why the network has been selected as Ethereum ERC20. Other exchanges sometimes also provide you with the option to change this network to Polygon. So this is the Polygon network that I've already added, but I'll show you how to add that as well. So let me just delete it, and I'll show how to add it as well. So basically you can select the network, select the amount of Matic you want to withdraw, and then any remarks that you want to add with it, and just proceed with withdrawal. Once you do that, I'm not doing it over here because it might take some time. So once you proceed with the withdrawal, you can even see the transfer history over here. And once you proceed with the withdrawal, you'll see the balance come up in your Metamask account. So if you had chosen the Ethereum network, Ethereum is by default in the Metamask wallet. So over here, if you go over to Ethereum mainnet, you'd be seeing Matic as well. But if you don't see it, that is because you have not added Matic to be searched by Metamask for your wallet. So how do you do that? You do that by clicking on import tokens. All right, so how to add Matic on Ethereum? So for that, we would have to know about what is Matic's what just a second. All right, what is Matic's contract address? So just search for Matic contract address Ethereum. So we basically want Matic's contract address, right? So over here we can see Matic token, and this is its contract address. So just copy this, and you can see Matic token. Make sure you're researching about this, because sometimes there are some scam tokens also, which might take the form of Matic and place it over here. But then you should always see that that token has a lot of balance over here. It is Matic's external site as well. Just go over to this site, and you can see polygon.technology. So that is Matic's site, and now we'll just add that. So over here, let me just add the token. Yeah, so I was in the Ethereum mainnet, and here we had clicked on import tokens, and we were trying to search for the token, right? So we can either search directly. Here you can see Matic, but not but for smaller cryptocurrencies you might not see it directly over here. So instead you would have to go over to custom token and paste the address that you had copied from here, and you'd see the cryptocurrency listed. So for Matic, as because Matic is quite a big cryptocurrency in itself, you can see Matic over here as well. So let's go over to custom token, add custom token, and start with the thing. So over here, I currently don't have any Matic in my Ethereum mainnet account, but I will be teaching you about how to change from Ethereum to Polygon network. The reason for that is because when you try to say transfer your Matic or transfer your Ethereum from this particular WazirX dashboard to your MetaMask wallet, the gas fees is quite high. The gas fees for ERC20 network. So over here, as you can see, the network is placed as ERC20. That is really high. However, for other networks such as Polygon or even Binance, for example, so here if I go over to Binance and try to withdraw this, you will see the network as Binance chain, that is BP20. So all of these other networks have a lower gas fees. Gas fees basically stands for transaction fees. You can understand it by transaction fees. So the amount of transaction fees for these networks is quite low. So that's why always if you're trying to withdraw anything from the WazirX account, first try to convert it to Binance or something like that, which has the option to select a network with a lower gas fees, not Ethereum or not ERC20 network. So now that we have learned about how to do that, let's go over to MetaMask and start learning about how to actually have the balance showing over here, and how to actually add a network. We've learned about how to add the tokens. We'll learn about how to add the network now. So for that as well, it's a really simple process. For example, I wanted to add the Polygon network, right? So I'm working with Polygon right now, so let me just go over to Polygon, and RPC URL. Now, whichever network you want to add, just add in RPC URL at the end of it, and you'd be good to go. If you don't remember these things, just add in how to add Polygon to MetaMask. How to add Polygon to MetaMask, and it'll be right over there. So it doesn't matter. You can just search for this and go down in the website. Make sure that the website is an official website. So this is docs.polygon.technology, and this is an official website. So I can actually learn how to add the network from here, because as I said, there are a lot of scam projects which basically duplicate the names, and that's how they essentially hack your MetaMask accounts. MetaMask in itself is really good and is really secure, but because you interact with all of these different scammy projects and all of these different things, you tend to lose out on the MetaMask security as well. So let's just go down, add the Polygon network manually. We'll go down, and here we can see the thing that we want. So how do we get this network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and all of those things? So go over to MetaMask, select this network tab. So right now I'm on Ethereum mainnet. I'll click on add network, and here we'll see the exact same thing that is over here. So we essentially have to add all of these details, and we'll be good to go. So let me just copy paste this. So this is the RPC URL. The network name is Polygon. It doesn't matter whatever you want to name it. Just make sure that the RPC URL is correct and the chain ID is correct. Other things don't matter. Then chain ID is 137. So let me add that. Currency symbol is optional, but I'll just add it. And block explorer is also optional, but I'll add it as well. So if you don't know what block explorer essentially is, you can basically just go over to this website and see that all the transactions that are happening live on the blockchain are actually being shown over here. So here, as you can see, someone has transferred, say, matic 0.5 matic 19 seconds ago, 20 seconds ago, and all of those things. So latest transactions, latest block, and all of those things. So this is Polygon Scan, specifically built for Polygon network. You can even go to Etherscan, so something that we had already seen for getting the Matic contract address. So this is Etherscan, and yeah, let's actually add this. We had added all the details and press on save. So if you go over to the your MetaMask wallet now, you will see that Polygon Matic has been added, and you will also be able to see your Matic balance. So because this is a new account, I've not actually transferred any kind of Matic. But if you wanted to, you could essentially go to any kind of centralized exchange and transfer your Matic from there to here. You can even go over to Binance and transfer it from there. Binance has actually a lot of options. I'm not logged in, but Binance has a lot of options in order to transfer it. So yeah, I would always recommend you to use Binance. WazirX does not have a lot of options. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about over here is um, how to buy these things. So how to actually swap your tokens and how to buy cryptocurrencies. We will also be talking about how to buy NFTs, because I see there's a lot of time remaining. So let's do that. So the first thing that we want to do is go over to the right exchange. This pancake swap is specifically built, as you can see, there's an error already. That is specifically built for Binance exchange. If I try to connect my wallet, you're connected to the wrong network. That is what is it's telling me, because right now I'm on the Polygon network. I'm not on Binance network. That's why you have to select the right exchange for that. So if you don't know which exchange is there on Polygon, you can just search for Polygon decentralized exchange. It's literally that simple. You can just search for that and basically find a good exchange for Polygon network. Now you can even use Uniswap is a really good exchange, specifically built for Ethereum, but I think you can even go over to Polygon over there. So as you can see, there is Polygon here. So now what I want to do is, because I have transferred my Matic to my wallet, so let me just select my wallet. So this is my wallet, and here there should be this connected symbol. If it's not turned green, then you'd have to select the wallet over here and change it. Okay, so here you'll have to click on Metamask, and then there would be a pop-up that would come over here, and it would essentially be connected. Once it is connected, you would see your balance. So here I can see my Matic balance, I can see, say, Ethereum balance, or any balance that I have. And right now I've only kept Matic for this example. And now let's see how to buy other cryptocurrencies. All right, so here we'll be selecting some other random cryptocurrency. Say for example, I want to get in on Ethereum name service, then I'll just select ENS token over here. And mind you, ENS might not be available on your centralized exchanges, say for example WazirX or CoinDesk or anywhere else. This token might not be available, but you can still buy it through these decentralized exchanges, which list all the tokens no matter how small they are. So once you have that, let me just select the balance I want to trade. So I'll just convert 3 Matic over here, which is $5, and it'll take some time. And as you can see, the gas fees is also quite low. That's why I've selected Polygon network. On Ethereum network, it's quite high. So let me just swap it and confirm swap. And here there'll be a confirmation that would pop up. It would tell me that zero point 0.1 Matic is going to be cut for gas fees. So let me just confirm it. And I can even add ENS to MetaMask. The same thing that we did over here, the import tokens part, this import tokens part, you can even do that by just clicking on this button. So if you click on this button, ENS has been added, add token, and you would be seeing your ENS balance as well. Right now, my Matic is 5. It would drop down to 2.19 because we have converted 3 Matic. So just wait for some time. This is going on, and yeah, as you can see, 2.19 Matic is left, and we have some ENS tokens with us. Now, whenever you want to convert ENS back to Matic, and if you want to transfer Matic to your centralized exchange, the process remains the same. You just have to press on this, convert ENS, select all the ENS tokens that you have, convert it to Matic, and then swap it, and then just transfer your Matic tokens to BuzzRx, to CoinDCX, to any of the centralized exchanges that you use by clicking on deposit. So here, if you click on deposit, let me just search for Matic. Here, if you click on deposit, there's just one network. It should be Polygon network, so you can't deposit Matic right now. But if you have Polygon network over here, it would be there in the Binance platform. For WazirX, as I said, it does not have a lot of networks with it. So ERC20, this is the destination address. You just have to copy it. It's the same process, all right? So you just have to copy the destination address, click on send Matic, uh, paste your destination address, which is your WazirX account, select the amount of Matic that you want to deposit, and then press on next and deposit it. Now, as I said, this is ERC20. That means this is not Polygon network. So make sure you're on the correct network. ERC20 is Ethereum network. So I can only deposit Ethereum with it. I can't deposit Matic directly from Polygon network. So that was it on how to buy cryptocurrencies, on how to set up your MetaMask wallet. I know I have gone a bit fast on explaining all of these things. If you want a slower version, if you want to know about it in detail from scratch, you can even check out my channel. I've talked all about this on my channel as well. Have made a complete series on top of it. So yeah, once you have done that, because time persists, I will also be teaching you how to buy NFTs. So let's talk about how to buy NFTs now. If you have any kind of NFT project, they would generally be listed on OpenSea. So OpenSea is, as you can see, it's the world's largest NFT marketplace from where you can buy NFTs. And OpenSea generally has only three networks, I guess. So let me just click on chains, and yes, it has only three networks. The Ethereum network, which was the ERC20 network, and that had quite a high gas fees. So you can even select Polygon network, which we learned how to add Polygon network over here. So we have the Polygon network, we have some balance of Matic, which we had transferred from, which we could have transferred from WazirX, and all of those things. So let's see some Polygon NFTs and see if we want to buy any. So all of these NFTs are currently live, and you can essentially buy them. But I have my own NFT, so I'll be searching for it and showing you how to buy that as well. So the Stripes NFT is something that I'd created, and if you want to learn about how to create NFTs, then of course you know what to do. You have to go to my channel and search for how to create NFTs. Now here, as you can see, there are a bunch of NFTs that I can buy, sell, do whatever I want. And you can even read about NFTs. There are certain things that you might be surprised to see over here, and you might not understand them. So the first thing is the floor price. So floor price is the minimum amount that you would have to spend in order to buy any kind of NFT in this particular collection. So all of these NFTs can be bought, and the minimum price that you'd have to pay is 0.004 Ethereum. So let's just go over here and see any kind of NFTs that we want to buy. Say for example, I like this particular NFT. or I like this particular NFT and I want to buy it. So I can basically just click on buy now. Or if I think that the price is quite high, I can even make an offer and say that, okay, this is quite a high price, let me buy it at a lower price. So let me first connect my wallet is connected. Remember, any website that you go over in the decentralized part, so in the web3 ecosystem, you have to have a wallet like Metamask or Trust Wallet, and you have to connect it with the website in order to interact with it. So let's click on buy now and let's buy it. So here, as you can see, it is costing me 0.004 Ethereum, and click on confirm. Deposit ETH to Polygon. So over here, please switch your wallet's RPC to Ethereum network. So over here, it's telling me that I need to first deposit Ethereum to Polygon. Now I just have Matic with me. I don't have Ethereum. As you can see, the price of this particular NFT is 0.004 Ethereum, not Matic. So I would first have to convert my Matic to Ethereum. We have learned how to do that. We can just go over to Uniswap and convert our Matic to Ethereum. So let me select Ethereum. We can see wrapped Ethereum over here. Wrapped Ethereum and Ethereum basically act the same. So you can basically convert, say, to Matic. I think two Matic would be quite less. It is $12, right? So let me just transfer some Matic from my other wallets and show you how to buy it. So this is Matic. Some that these are some Matics that I currently possess. You can even do this one thing. So over here, the Stripes NFT, I was teaching you how to buy it from OpenSea, which is quite simple. You can press on buy now, and if you have this much amount of Ethereum on the Polygon network, you can basically buy it. But the next thing that I wanted to show you is most of these NFTs will have their own website. So over here, let me search for the website. You can see the website over here, right? So what you can do is, instead of buying these NFTs from OpenSea, you can also mint it from their particular website. So this is the Stripes NFT website, and if I just press on connect, I can connect my wallet. You can see my wallet has been connected, and here you would typically find the NFTs to be listed at quite a cheaper rate. So one NFT costs 4 Matic. However, here, if I go over here, the Stripes NFT, it was costing us 0.004 Ethereum. And that is essentially, let's see how much it is in Matic. So 0.004, right? So that was essentially 6.6 Matic. So if you had done this particular thing, which is going over to the website and minting it from there, you would be saving up on 2 Matic of your wallet. So let me just buy it. So click on buy. I'll be buying one NFT. It cost me 4 Matic. So let me just press on confirm, and once I press on confirm, it should go through. Basically, it would take some time before it gets listed on the blockchain. So once it is done, you can see your NFTs on this particular site. So OpenSea basically acts as a place where you can see all NFTs that you might have on your wallet as well. So say for example, I go over to my profile and go down. Once this NFT gets minted, let me just see how much it has been done. So if I go over here, it's still pending. So once this goes successful, you would be seeing your NFTs over here. So as you can see, there are multiple NFTs that I currently own. If you don't see it over here, if you don't see it in the collected section, you will be able to see it in the hidden section. So some NFTs that you might have minted recently would come in the hidden section before it goes over to the collected section. So make sure you're searching in the hidden section as well. So these are all of your NFTs that you might possess, and that's how you can buy NFTs, that's how you can buy cryptocurrencies which are not listed on any kind of exchange. And yeah, that's how you do all of those things. Now, one more thing that I want to talk about over here. I know I'm going really, really fast, and you might have a ton of doubts. Can I trade in Bitcoin? So, Bitcoin essentially does not have such a platform where you can put out smart contracts and basically interact with decentralized exchanges and so on. So, if you want to trade in Bitcoins, you essentially have to use a centralized exchange like WazirX, CoinDCX, or so on. You can't keep it in your MetaMask wallet right now. Um, this mint has not occurred till now, but let me talk about how to create NFTs, create cryptocurrencies. So here, as you can see, I have come over to remix.ethereum.org. Now I'll be going really, really fast, even for this part, but you can follow along and learn how to create it. If you want to know about this in detail, then go check out my channel. I've explained in depth about how to create NFTs, how to create your own cryptocurrencies, and so on. So let's start with this. Let me just delete this particular file. And as you can see, this is a new token that I had created. And in order to create such tokens, you need to have the knowledge of the Solidity programming language. This particular code is written in Solidity, so you need to have knowledge about that. If you don't, you can essentially just copy paste the entire contract. So all of these things you can basically just copy paste it, and you have your own cryptocurrency as well. You won't need to know about coding, but it is better to know how to what is written in your particular smart contract before you deploy it. So once you have your smart contract ready, until if you don't have your smart contract ready, you can go over to my channel. I have linked the smart contract for free. You can basically download it from GitHub, Ali Solanki, and essentially go over to I have certain organizations with me. So this is one of the organizations, and here there is the token. So I'll try to link this particular thing in the description box as well of this particular video. But you essentially have to go over to github.com/co token slash token, and this is the file that you want to deploy. Now I have created another file, but if you want me to do it from scratch, let me do that. So I'm creating a new workspace, name it as tutorial, and these are some of the things that has been created by Remix for me. So let me just delete all of them so that I can start from scratch and show you how this whole thing happens. So let me delete this and this as well. Okay, so we have a clean slate right now. Now what we want to do is create a new file, name it whatever we want. I want to name it as Ali Solanki, and just remember to add a period, a dot, and then add sol. All right, so that is the extension of the file. Just like you have .png files for some images, you have .jpeg, which is JPEG. So just like that, we have .sol for Solidity files. Now what do we do over here, Ali? So we go over to this particular website, which is github.com/co token slash token, and here you essentially have to copy every single thing line by line till line number 267. Copy it, paste it over here. All right, so we have done that, and as you can see, this is created on Pragma Solidity 0.4, which basically means it is created on Solidity version 0.4. The latest one is 0.8. So if you have a 0.8 version file, it is always better, but we'll be doing it with this. The main goal over here is to create our cryptocurrency, right? So we have basically added the file. Now we'll go over to the deploy section. If you go over here, first we'll go over to the compiler section. If it's not compiled already, just press on auto compile and it will compile the entire file for you. All right, so I've pressed on auto compile, and then even if it does not happen, you can press on compile alisolanki.sol and everything will be done. Now the next thing that you want to do is go over to the deploy section. So we have compiled a file, now we want to deploy it. So if you go over here, just select your contract, and that contract should be coming over here. Let me just select it, and if I go down, so I forgot to mention this particular thing, which is if you want to name your cryptocurrency, you have to go down to line number. Let me just search for the line so that you can basically change the name. So here is the contract, right? So contract Rokda is possible token. Here you want to name your token. So here you want to change the name from Rokra to anything that you want to name. Ali Solanki is what I'll name this cryptocurrency, and we are good to go. We have kept it on auto compile, so it has been compiled, and now we'll go over to deploy, and now you can see Ali Solanki listed in this particular thing. So Ali Solanki dash Ali Solanki dot sol is what you'll have to select. Whatever the name of your cryptocurrency is, it'll show up in the contract section. After that, what we want to do is select the environment. Now we have a couple of things to select from here. The VM basically stands for virtual machine. Virtual machine basically means that even if you deploy it, it won't mean anything because it won't go on the blockchain. We really want to deploy it, so we'll be selecting injected web3. And injected web3 basically means that it will now connect with your Metamask account. I had already said in I had already said that if you want to deploy, if you want to interact with any of the websites on web3, you would have to have a wallet. We have already learned how to create a Metamask wallet, so this will come in handy for anything else that you might do as well. By the way, the mint has not finished till now. So let me select the right network. Right now we were doing everything on Polygon. So in order to show you a change, I will also select the Binance mainnet. How to add this network? We've already talked about this. Click on add network and essentially just add all of these details. Where will you find these details? By searching for Binance, add to MetaMask, right? So the first thing that you'd see is academy.binance.com, and you'd know how to add Binance network to your MetaMask wallet as well. I've already done that. So let me just go over here and make sure that your account is connected. So I have selected the correct account. Let me select the fourth account because it has BNBs with it. It has been connected, and this is my wallet account. This is my wallet address, and here also you can see the same wallet address 0x96, and over here as well 0x96. Make sure it is the same. It is showing my balance as well, 1.9 BNB, 1.9 BNB. Now, if I go down, I can then see the deploy part. And here are the things that I want to add. So the first things first, we want to name our cryptocurrency as Ali Solanki. Make sure that there are no spaces. You can keep spaces, but I would recommend not to use spaces there. Symbol would be ALS or ALT because Ali Solanki token. Decimals would be, I guess, 16. So, what does decimal stand for? Decimal basically means in how many parts can your cryptocurrency be divided in. You have a dollar. Dollar can be divided in cents. A rupee can be divided in paisa. So, for a rupee, the decimals would be two. So a rupee can be 0.01, and 0.01 stands for 1 paisa. But for our cryptocurrency, we'll be having 16 decimals. That means one ALT, one Ali Solanki token, can be divided into 16 parts. Not 16 parts, but it can have 16 decimals. So 0.00 and 16 zeros, and then 1. We can even transfer that much amount of ALT. The more, the better. But the maximum is, I think, 18. So don't go above that. After that we have supply. So supply basically means how many tokens do you want to create. So I want to create, say, 200 or 2000 tokens. All right, so I want to create 2000 alts, and the token owner will be me itself. So I need to paste the address. Where will I get the address? From my Metamask account. I need to copy this and paste it over here. So all the things have been covered. The name has been covered, symbol has been covered, decimals, supply, and even the token owner. Now the only thing that is remaining is transacted and deployed on the blockchain. So once you press on transact, you would see this particular thing pop up. Press on confirm and wait for a few seconds, because it might take some time in deploying the contract, and it has been deployed. Over here, if I go down, you would see this deployed contract section, and your cryptocurrency is basically created. To show your cryptocurrency, you can basically copy this address. I had deployed it on Binance, so now I have to go over to Binance block explorer, right? So for Polygon, we had seen it was Polygon scan. This was the block explorer for Polygon. For Ethereum, we had seen it was Etherscan. So for Ethereum, it was etherscan.io. But for Binance, it is Binance. Uh, Let me just search it up so that you can see. So Binance scan, I'll just search it. BSC scan is what we were searching for. And here you can essentially paste your address and see your token live. So here I'll just paste my token, search for it, and there it is. Tracker Ali Solanki ALT. Everything has been done. My cryptocurrency is essentially created. Now one question that might pop up in your mind is, where do we see the balance? How do we buy this cryptocurrency? How do we sell it, and so on? So for that you need liquidity, but I'll just show you the balance for it. And we had already seen that we were creating a 2000 ALT supply for our cryptocurrency. So we should have 2000 tokens of ALT with us. So let me just go over to my MetaMask wallet, and over here I need to import tokens. And as I had said, if you want to add any kind of token, you essentially have to paste its contract address. The contract address we had seen for Matic as well. It was over here. So just copy this contract address and paste it in this particular part. And as you can see, it has detected that it is ALT. It is 16 decimal token. Just press on add token, import tokens, and as you can see, we have the 2000 ALT balance. Now I can send this to anyone who has a MetaMask wallet. I can even transfer it between my accounts. So say for example I want to transfer it to this particular account. I'll add in amount to say, out of 2000 I want to transfer 500.05. All right. I'll press on next and confirm it. So as you can see right now, I have the assets as 2000 ALT. In just a matter of seconds, it would drop down from 2000 to around 1400, and you can see 1499.95. So the remaining ALTs have been transferred to this particular account, and I should be able to see ALTs over here. If I don't, then I need to import tokens and paste the contract address, and add the custom token. So as you can see, the balance is 500.05 ALTs. So you have successfully created a cryptocurrency which can be sent to your friends, which can be sent across the network, and it will all be listed over here. So here you can see all the transactions. There's only one transaction right now, but let me just refresh it so that the second transaction can be seen. Yeah, so this is the transaction, and as you can see, we have the from, we have the to, and this was my wallet. So it was, I think, this one, and the wallet address was 0x96. This was my address, right? So it was transferred from this wallet to my other wallet, which was this particular one, 0x3 E 0x3E. So let's just search for that. It has been deployed to this 0x3E76. So that transaction has been recorded on the blockchain on the BSC scan, and we are done with how to create cryptocurrency, how to do all of those things. I don't have enough time right now, so I will be skipping over. And if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you can leave them in the chat section. And yeah, I think I am done for this particular thing. It was nice coming over here and showing you all the steps. I'll stop my screen from here. Yeah.
Thank you for being there, sir, and explaining in depth the topic in a very easy way. Even I saw your YouTube videos. I see your YouTube videos, and when I got to know you are coming, I was so excited to know. And personally, even I am going to try this thing which you today taught. And to all the participants, we are
I
providing
think
you with a feedback form link. Please don't
I think
forget to fill that. Certification will be based on that.
I think I went too fast for people. So if anyone thinks that it was too fast, you can basically just skim over through the entire section. I think it would be live on YouTube, right? It would stay on YouTube for a while, right? So you can basically skim over through the entire session. And if you want, you can even go over to my YouTube channel and see the entire things in separate videos, because the entire thing couldn't have been completed in an hour. So I tried to keep it as short and simple as possible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all for being there. Happy investing, and Enthusiast 2022 is not over yet. Stay tuned. We have Bollywood Bingo and Atlas. Both are fun games. Let's enjoy the weekend with these games.
Thank you.
Sir, would you like to take the question? Like we have one for now.
Yeah, sure. Do tell me.
Can I trade in Bitcoin? Asked by Amay Patankar.
So I think, Amay, you mean can you trade in bitcoins when it comes to decentralized exchanges, which I was trying to show in this particular video. Then, unfortunately, you cannot do that. It is blockchain specific. So, say for example, you have certain tokens. We had learned how to deploy our token on BSC. BSC is Binance. So on Binance, you can trade with any other tokens that you might have with Binance only, but you cannot trade Bitcoin over there. Bitcoin is present as wrapped Bitcoin. So wrapped Bitcoin is essentially just one to one with Bitcoin, but it is not Bitcoin. So you can go in depth with it, but short answer is you can't trade Bitcoins on decentralized exchanges. For that, you'd have to go over to centralized exchanges like WazirX or CoinDCX.
Hope your doubt was cleared. And thank you. Now we are ending with the session.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for being there.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.